Alrighty guys, we got a Marco 200 plus high and low bi-linear info. I thought it was a Pride at first. Everything's working like it should be. High, low power, receive, on, off, everything. Good little box. Did your wire upgrade. Found a couple things wrong to putting the relay on the output straight through. Got all that going. Somebody's done this work. I didn't do that, but hey, it works, so that's all that matters. Start out, turn it off. Straight through the rest of the yard where it was. Turn it on. Marco Polo on high. Marco Polo. Hello. It's doing really good. Marco Polo. Marco. Alright. I guess it's a mark. It says Marco 200. I guess it's a mark. Try it on low power. Low power. Get on down. Get on down. She's all ready to go. There you go, man. Got the wire upgrade. There's your Marco 200 plus high and low. Alright folks, thanks for watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Your friend 10-018 Boots. Catch you later. Bye bye.